Hey Adam, here with a simple and fast review of the Dogoitum brand GPS fencing system. It's a wireless system for your pets. So we're going to open it up, show you how it works, and let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so once you get this out of the box, you'll have your simple user manual. You'll have your collar, your charging cable, your shock test lights, and contact points, silicone covers. Of course, the user manual is mentioned, and then of course the actual key piece here. So what I want to show you is just as as we walk through this, kind of how you charge it up. It's going to be USB-C right there. So you'll just simply put your contact points in here. I'll show you that in a minute. You'll have a couple different buttons here and then a little display. So real quick, you'll have different size contact points depending on what you're looking to use, and of course with that you'll also have different sized silicone covers for those. So just want to show you how they screw right in before we go into too much detail. And then of course this will go right on top as well. Power, we're just going to hold for 3 seconds, fully charged, but your M button is going to be your mode button, and then up and down will cycle through. So let's get it charged up. All right, so once you've got it pretty well charged and you hold it for 3 seconds, it will turn on like this, and then you'll have your modes to cycle through, settings, all these different things. Sorry, I'm hoping you can see that. So obviously read your instructions. If I want to adjust the distance on the GPS, goes from 65 feet to 3,290 feet, which is pretty extensive. We have different levels of sound. We have vibration levels. And then we have electric, the actual shock. Now, this is going to just simply show you how many satellites are in the signal right now. So I'm inside, so this is something that you'll want to set up outside. And again, read your instruction manual, and that'll walk you through. It's just currently anything less than 5, you'll want to kind of make sure that you're double checking your signal, and that's again through the GPS. All right, so once you've gotten all your settings, and you can do volume, vibrate, and electric shock all at once. And just to test it out, I'm just going to hold these 2 buttons. I'm going to do this real quick. Hold the down and up at the same time, and it should then start to cycle into, you'll hear the noise, the vibration, and then the shock. We'll test it out. So again, it's just going to simply show you that it is working. So from there, you're going to want to set this up. I do recommend you set up kind of poles, flags, something like that, so that your dog has an idea of where they're allowed to go, where they're not allowed to go. Again, adjust this accordingly. But that's the basic functionality of how these things work. To turn it off, you're again just going to hold your power button. Make sure you remove anything if you're going to be using just the the vibrate or the sound. No need for these to impact your dog's throat or anything like that. So a lot of functionality here, a lot of good stuff. Hopefully this review helps. Totally worth buying if you're looking to train your dog with GPS system rather than having just an electric fence. This is a much more affordable wireless fence system. So thanks for watching. Hope this review helped.